When you've been out adventuring, sometimes you hit snow. And with snow comes salt. Look at this salt. Salt everywhere. Look at that. That's one dirty van. And that will absolutely ruin a paint job and cause rust. So we're about to get it washed off. It's our first time here at Interstate Truck Wash. I'm sure they do a great job. All right, cool. So Interstate Truck Wash, their door seems to be locked, but if you can find your way into one of the bays and walk over to their office, they'll help you. They told me to go ahead and pull over to the second bay for a basic wash, but I haven't really seen anybody oh, now they're washing. Okay, cool. Check that out. That's a clean van. Good job. No more salt. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I was a little concerned about Interstate Truck Wash because, I don't know, you never know. And I felt like it was sketchy because it was taking so much longer to get it done than other people. Oh, look, I gotta fix that. Oh, I gotta fix that bad. Anyway, that's not their fault. But it was just taking forever to get done. And there was a big line, but now I'm seeing why. They did a great job. And without me asking, they climbed up their ladder, got on top, and cleaned the solar panels. Did a great job. We'll be back. Plan for a little bit extra time, but Interstate Truck Wash is a good place to take your van. All right, good deal. See you on the road. We had salt all in there. Looks good. They did a great job. So, thanks, Interstate Truck Wash.